Hello, people.
Hello, Cruiselandia. Exuberance.
Welcome to Cruiselandia.
We do not have the most exciting background tonight because it's dark outside and you get a lot of glare. Yeah. Kind of like my glasses. Kind of like a Cylon.
Yeah, our light that we're using behind.
Actually, I'll take those off. It will be distracting.
Back there, it's pretty bright and big, and it's fine during the daytime, but it's dark out because we had daylight savings time last night.
What?
Yeah, crazy.
You're kidding. So I know. Waking up this morning and it was not 9:45.
Right. Oh, now you can see my little mic. Get over it, people. So yeah, it's dark out, and here it's not even that late, but it's dark, and we're making a video, another episode of Cruise Chatter, as we're calling it, because we chatter, yep. Which
What are we going to talk about today, Chris?
Oh my God. Well, this isn't going to be real long, of course. Don't quote me on that, because you know how that works out.
It's not going to be long.
Do you people recognize the pattern on this?
What is that pattern?
This is the Love Boat pattern. This is Princess.
The Love Boat.
Waiting to take another run, or something like that. So we have our package, medallions. We have not opened. We waited.
That's what she said.
Really? You're gonna do a she said joke?
You said package.
I did say package. Snicker. Go ahead, people. Snicker. Okay, you come to this panel.
I'm a 12-year-old.
We're PG-13. We're not G, okay? Her mouth is more like R. But we're going to open this up in front of you instead of, we didn't want to do it right away. We wanted to do it for all of you.
We're excited because what comes in the envelope? A box.
Princess.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Comment if you know what movie that's from. What's in the box? You have to say it like that too. You have to be like really upset. Like really upset. Really upset.
Like snot running down your nose and all over your shirt.
Okay, so we have opened it up and look what we have. These look different.
Ooh.
Well, that's weird. Oh, I wonder.
What is that? I gotta put the eyes on for this shit.
Oh, me too. Oh, our old ass is here, so we can see what we're doing here.
Wait, which one's whose?
No, I got yours. Here.
I don't want yours. Don't touch mine.
So I don't know if you saw the last video. The last video we talked about the lanyards that come with
Can you see that?
Your medallion.
Is it not focusing?
Oh, well, see, I can just do this and focus on it. Okay, now it's focused on it. Hey, there it is. That's what it looks like.
Fancy.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, focusing. They come with lanyards.
Ooh, and it says, how do you focus on it again? Do you gotta tap?
They tap on that. It's having a hard time because of the glare.
It says medallion class on it.
Oh yeah, sure, certainly does. Well, okay.
It's a princess.
And in case you're curious, it was assembled in Malaysia.
Yes.
Just in case you didn't know that. So yeah, we got our medallions in. So we're pretty excited about that. It's interesting though because usually the color is based on your status.
Yeah.
Like for reasons.
Like his old one was black.
Yeah. Well, we're not going to talk about why mine is black.
And mine was just gold.
Yeah, but we would be ruby now. I'm technically ruby. Long story. Certain people might know why mine is black elite, but I'm not going to discuss why. How about that?
But the point is, we have
our medallions.
Our medallions.
Now,
with how many days left to go?
13 days to go. 13 days to go. So basically what this means is that as soon as we get to the port, our check-in should last about 5 minutes. And that's about it. Because this, we don't have to get these when we get to the port. If you're not having yours mailed to you, then you will have to get them at the port. Then you will have to take a little extra time to get them at the port. Now, I wanted to show this. I think I showed it in the last video too, but this is a little clip I bought. See if I can focus on this. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, focus right here. There we go. It's this little clip. It works pretty well. I've tested it out a little bit. But yeah, your medallion goes right in there, and then it's silicone, so you can, I guess you could attach it here, you could attach it to your belt loop, to your pocket, whatever.
I mean, never fear, they come with lanyards.
Yeah, they do come with a lanyard.
See, they got the lanyards. These ones don't have a disconnecting thing on them. They unclip here.
That's interesting.
Unlike the old one. The old one has like a disconnecting thing.
I wonder if did I purchase this one?
I don't know, I don't remember.
I may have purchased that one now that I think back. I'm not really sure. But anyway, lanyards. We also, this is our friend Mel's, but this is...
You saw this one on the last video. It's my little clippy bracelet that the medallion slides right into, like that.
Yeah, well, show them with your new one. Because you can. Show them that brand.
Okay, Chris. See, I can get it in faster than him. See, fantastic.
I'm being good. Yeah, this is what it looks like in the. It's like a watch band, but it holds, and it just pops out.
What happens if it pops out, Chris?
Well, I don't think it will pop out. It can't really pop out this way, away from your wrist. It only pops out towards your wrist. So if you have it on, it can't pop out. So I guess, yeah, you put it in from the back. There, like that, and it's magnetic.
Yep, see?
By the way, your medallions are magnetic. So I think that's part of how they work.
What's this?
You're not in the picture, get back over here.
What's this?
Oh, so I have this thing here too. I believe I showed this to you on the last video, and let's see, give me yours.
Here's my old one.
Yeah, let me see your old one. This one, if I remember right, it's kind of hard to get in there, but once it's in there pretty good. It's like a little fake leather thing, and I'm not even going to try to finesse it in there.
It's basically, it looks like a keychain.
But once you get it in there, this I believe was supposed to be for an air tag. And so you can put these in it. They're like the same size as an air tag. You know, basically the same size as an air tag. Of course, if you don't have an Apple phone, that doesn't do you any good, right? So you can go something like this.
Something like this.
Something like this.
Something like this. Or
what
it comes with. And
you know, if you want to wear this around your neck, there's nothing wrong with that. I've been using lanyards since my first cruise because on cruise ships where they have the cards, they usually have a way to carry these on a lanyard.
In fact, some of these are easier, and the reason the lanyard may be easier to take with you is because when you're in your room and you have your little metallic hook up on the wall.
Magnetic hook, you mean?
Yeah, that thing. This can be hung on it right next to your door so you never forget to take it with you.
There we go. She keeps moving over that way. There she goes.
Ooh.
Okay. Well, that's really what we wanted to talk about. We have another video we were going to do, but we decided not to do it. I got it. I swear, people, it's like having an infant for a wife.
Ta-da! That's it tonight, folks.
Yeah, that's it. We just wanted to show you our medallions and what they look like when we open them up. So, yeah, you should get a package. Look, you probably already got it, but if you're on our cruise. But if you're on a subsequent cruise, then you will get something that looks like this. That comes USPS, US mail. And inside will be the package that says Princess right there. And it's not all that complicated.
And then there's just
We each got these.
accessories.
And then there's accessories. And I didn't even have to use the knife. I was all ready to use my knife. Don't need to use it.
Pretty fancy. On that note.
Oh, there's also this. Oh, yeah, this is just, you know, stuff so you don't kill yourself with it somehow, you know, by electrocuting yourself or whatever. So
they are something that you could choke on, so do not put it in your mouth and swallow.
Worthless. Until the next time, we hope you all have a lovely week, and maybe, just maybe, we'll have another video in a couple days. If we find the time. We've been very busy this weekend, a lot of family stuff going on. Nothing bad, good stuff. But, well, mostly good stuff. Anything else you want to say before we go?
I don't know. What else do you want to say, Senora?
I've said what I need to say, Senorita. Or you're going to be Senora.
Peace out.
You're not young.
We love you.
Happy sailing. Okay, so we came back.
Because we have, it's kind of like a P.S. I love you.
P.S.
Which we do. We love you, Cruiselandians.
We do.
And anyone who doesn't know us, like and subscribe and follow, because you never know what's going to come out of these mouths.
That's for sure.
That's for sure.
Okay, look, we will keep this brief. I looked it up, and this is a coral / salmon color, which is, she hates salmon, by the way, so this is a problem.
Yeah.
So we're going to call it coral, okay, because she hates salmon.
So note, these are our last ones. One's black, one's kind of a gold color.
Yeah, that's a classic color
But
for
these are both a salmon color. Why is that?
Because we're in the sanctuary.
We have a sanctuary mini suite.
Yes.
Which I think we've said before, but
yeah, we have talked about that before.
we're 13 days away. We're allowed to get a little excited.
We're a little excited. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not supposed to lie anyway, so I won't. We are sanctuary this time. Just in case you're wondering, if you haven't watched a previous video, the reason we're sanctuary is because we bought our cruise last year during Black Friday. There was a special sale on the Star that we are, all Princess actually, that we were able to automatically get bumped up to the next class of cabin, essentially, for the same price. So we were looking at balconies, and then just for the heck of it, I looked at Sanctuary, and it was just a hair more than a balcony. So I'm like, well, might as well get a mini suite, Sanctuary mini suite.
What was the only difference? What did you have to do to get that Sanctuary pricing that was so close to a normal balcony?
Okay, so it was a bigger, because it's a mini suite, I believe. Instead of being like a $500 or $250 per person deposit, it was a $1,000 deposit for two people, or $500 each. So that's the downside, is you have to put a bigger deposit down. At least that was the case a year ago. Now, what they do from here on out, who knows?
No, the end price was the same. So either way, we were still paying the same as what we would have. We just had to put more up front.
It was essentially the same. It was still a little bit more, but it was negligible. It was, considering what we were getting, it was like, I don't know, $150, $200 more.
Yeah, it was peanuts.
Total. It was worth it. So anyway, this coral color on your medallion means you are in the sanctuary. So they don't tell you what class or level you are in their club. What's it called? The Crown Club or whatever it's called. Yeah. So we are no longer this. We are sanctuary. I imagine our next cruise,
we'll be back to these.
We will not be in a sanctuary suite, because it's going to be on the coral. How funny is that? We're going to be on the Coral Princess. This is coral color.
Yeah, that's our transatlantic next year.
That will be probably back to the colors based on our status. So there you go. That's all we wanted to say. P.S. We love you. Take care, y'all, and happy sailing again. Bye.
Love you.